Hey guys, in this video I'll be using some of this Klean-strip Aircraft Paint Remover. This is the non-methylene chloride version. This was actually replaced with their old formula. I'm hoping this works just as well. This says it strips to bare metal in 45 minutes. The original worked within minutes. I'm not sure if it's going to perform as good, but my local jobber in Klean-strip directly said that it would. I'm hoping that is the case. The first thing we're going to be doing together is this quarter panel here. This is out of a Nissan. It's got the original E-coat inside still. I did have the edges sandblasted already just to save a little bit of time. But if this stuff does work good, I'll go out and get the gallon and we'll do the other side also. But for the inside, it's only got the original E-coat. On the opposite side, it has the original red paint with one coat of base coat clear coat on it already. I'm hoping this does the trick. If not, I'll have to have the whole panel blasted completely. I don't really like to have everything blasted all the time, only because sometimes it does do damage to the panels if it's not done correctly. Hopefully it's not the case. Hopefully this works great. If not, I'll definitely let you guys know. And if you guys use this in the past and you guys got any opinions on it, please leave it in the comments below. If not, I will let you know what I think of it personally. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you're going to use this, make sure you use your safety glasses, gloves, a respirator, and do it in a well-ventilated area because this stuff is pretty potent. Yeah, I mean, other than that, let's get to it. Let's see what happens. All right, guys, here's the inside of the quarter panel. This is the original E-coat. I figure I'm going to break it up into 4 sections. We'll do 10-minute section, 20-minute section, a 30, and they recommend 45. I'll be applying it with this brush as recommended. Can also says to shake well and apply a heavy coat in one direction. That's what I'll be attempting next. We'll start the time from now. A few minutes have gone by. Looks like nothing is happening yet. All right, it's already been sitting for 10 minutes. Just doesn't look like it did much. It says to scrape with the spreader once done. Looks like it marked it up a little bit, but E-coat is still there. Now we're on the 20-minute. As soon as 20 minutes are up, I'll get back to you. All right, guys. Now it's been 20 minutes exactly. Still not much change from the 10-minute one. Not looking good so far. Okay, now we're on our 30-minute mark. No change. Now onto the 45-minute. All right, guys, so it's been exactly 45 minutes. Still no change. Still has the original E code on it. This texture here is just from some overspray, or some media from when it's got blasted. $10-minute, 20-minute, 30-minute, 45 minutes. I'll get right back to you guys. All right, guys, I'm back. So you guys saw in the video, this did absolutely nothing. It did not work. I'm not sure what they did to this formula, but it didn't work at all. If you guys can get your hands on the older stuff, I guarantee it works a lot better than this. If I was you guys, I would not spend your money on this. Try to find a different alternative. Maybe your only options are sandblasting now, or media blasting, soda blasting, whatever you can find where you're from. Was I happy with it? No. I mean, you guys saw in the video yourselves how it worked. I mean, I literally, did what they recommended, the 45 minutes. And it's still sitting here, which has been about, almost an hour, and it doesn't look like it's not doing much at all. Maybe it'll work on some, rattle can spray paint or something, but definitely doesn't work on automotive paint like they used to. I mean, if you guys have any comments, please leave them below. If you see that I did something wrong, let me know also. I mean, if you guys like this video too, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Yeah, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care. Here you guys go, a little bonus clip. I'll leave it on there 45 minutes for you guys. All right, guys, looks like it did remove some of the repainted parts, but the original is still under here. So I guess maybe if you have like a repaint or something, it might work, but all that time wasted, still don't think it's worth it.